Hi guys, welcome to ITI1120. Today I would like to talk about the first lab. Let me introduce myself firstly. My name is Jiacheng He. I'm one of your TAs for this semester. This is my email address. Okay, let's start. So today's objectives are firstly to get familiar with the lab environment, your email, and your Brightspace. Also, you need to create and submit a practice assignment 0 on Brightspace. And we recommend you to enroll into 2 Python courses on Coursera. And today you will need to write your first Python program, and you will play with the turtle library. And finally, there are some blockly exercises you can play with. Okay, this part is to log in and log out your email. So remember that if you use lab computers, if you are ready to leave, the last thing you always do is to log out. Otherwise, other students will access to your files, and it's really dangerous. Next part is to access Brightspace. So in the Brightspace, you can find all the course materials. You can download and submit assignments in Brightspace. And there is an announcement part in Brightspace. This part is important because either TAs or professors will announce some important things there. So remember to check the announcements part regularly. You can also check your grades on Brightspace. And there is a discussion group in Brightspace. In the discussion group, you can ask any questions. And TAs or professors, if they see the questions you ask, they will try their best to answer your questions. You can also answer other students' questions if you want. So you are required to check Brightspace course webpage regularly, and your outbound email frequently for announcements and all the materials. Now let's start Lab 1. First, please open a browser and log into Brightspace. Then on the left-hand side under the tab Labs, you can find the Lab 1 material contained in the Lab1 students.zip file. Please download this file and unzip it. After you unzip it, you can find the folder named Lab1 Students. In this folder, this is all your Lab1 materials here. So inside this folder, you can find a file named openingidle.pdf. Let's see, it's this one, openingidle.pdf file. It contains some instructions about how to open the idle shell, but it's for Windows user. Well, for me, I use the Mac, so I will open the terminal and then I will type idle3. Okay, here is my idle. In this shell, you can type anything you want, like some mathematical expressions or print hello world. Okay, you can try some simple mathematical expressions yourself in the Python shell. Okay, today you'll need to practice submitting assignment 0. So in this one, actually for every assignment, you need to submit a zip file. And the zip file should be named as A0. A0 means assignment 0. A0 underscore, and this part is your student ID. If you submit the assignment 1, then this part is A1 underscore student ID.zip. So for today's lab, you have 2 exercises. This one, turtle access1.py and turtle access2.py. you need to submit these two Python scripts, and I will show you guys how to create the zip file. First, create an empty folder. Then name it as A0 underscore whatever your student ID is. And then inside this folder, it should contain these two files. So after you finish these two Python scripts, you need to copy and paste these two files into this folder. And then zip this folder. Okay, here the zip file is the one you need to submit to the Brightspace. Okay, after you create the zip file, you can find the assignments tab in Brightspace. Click assignment 0, and then under the submissions, you should see a rectangle labeled with drop files here, or click below. Drag and drop your zip file there, and then click submit. You will see a pop-up saying the submitted successfully. You will also receive a notification email. Actually, you can submit more than once. Please try it, and the old submission will not be deleted. This part is for your future assignments. Like in assignment 1, your program named A1 underscore your student number .py. It should start with this information. Okay, if you use the lab computers, please remember that copy and paste your files into a USB before logging out. Otherwise, you may lose your files. This part is to enroll into 2 Python courses on Coursera. If you don't have a Coursera account, please create one and log into it. And you can find these 2 free Python courses in these links. Please enroll them now, because enrollment will not be possible after the posted enrollment deadline. Now we will work with the Turtle library in Python. First, start the idle shell and open the file named turtlesmells.py. Here is my idle shell. Then I will find the file, open. So my file is in desktop and the Lab1 students folder. This one. I will open this one. It's here. And I will run this file. Run module. You can see that it draws a smile face on this window. Here you need to work with the Turtle library. Actually, I recommend a website. It's this one. The Beginner's Guide to Python Turtle. The URL is here. So from this one, we can learn how to use the Turtle library. First, you need to import the Turtle library. Import Turtle. Like in this script, we start with import Turtle. And then you can declare a variable s, and it refers to the window here, and it calls the getScreen method in the Turtle library. After that, you can declare a variable t. It refers to the turtle here. The turtle by default is in the middle of the windows. So here, the windows is like a screen, a canvas, and the turtle is like a pen. You can draw anything you want in the screen. Let's programming with Turtle. First, move the turtle. There are 4 directions that a turtle can move in, like the forward, backward, left, right. Forward, backward is the direction that the turtle is facing. And left, right is turn the turtle by a certain degree. Here we can see an example. Turtle, the right, 19. It means turn the turtle right by 19 degrees. Sorry, it's 90 degrees. We can see that the turtle turns right in 90 degrees. And then move the turtle forward by 100 units. We can see that after turns right, then it moves forward to 100 units. Then turn left by 90 degrees. After that, move backwards 100 units. There are some shortened versions of these commands, like RT, FD, LT, and BK. Actually, beside this method, you can also draw a line from your current position to any other arbitrary points on the screen using the goto method. This one. Like this is done with the help of coordinates. Actually, the screen is divided into 4 quadrants. This is X, this is X, and Y. And initially, the turtle starts from the point 0, 0. This is also called home. If you want to go to any other point like 100, 100, you can use this method, theta go to 100, 100. It will draw a line from home position to the 100, 100 point, like this. And if you want to go back to the home position, you can use theta home, or you can use the goto method, like theta go to 0, 0. Here is to draw a shape. You can try those lines to draw a shape on the screen. To draw a circle with radius 60. To draw a dot, it is a filled-in circle. You can also use the BG color to change the screen color, and the title method to change the window's title. The shape size method to change the turtle size. We can also fill the turtle's color to right. Here you can change the turtle shape. There are some shapes to choose from, like square, arrow, circle, turtle. You can choose any shape you want. And the pen speed, you can change the pen speed. The pen color. Here is to pick the pen up and down. So in the above examples, every time turtle moves, it will draw a line. However, sometimes we just want to move the turtle, but without drawing a line. So in this case, we can use the pen up method. So if we use the pen up method, it means that I don't want to draw a line. I just want to move the turtle. After that, if you want to start drawing again, you have to use the pen down method. It means start drawing. Let's see an example. So turtle by default, it starts from here. Then it moves forward 100 units. It's here. Sorry, by default, the turtle starts from here. Then it moves forward 100 units. It's here. Then the turtle changes 90 degrees to the right. So the turtle is facing down. So initially the turtle is facing right. After turn right to 90 degrees, it is facing down. but this one we use pen up method. It means I just want to move the turtle position without drawing anything on the screen. So after I use pen up method, I move forward 100 units from here to here, but we can see that it doesn't draw anything. And then I'm turn right by 90 degrees, so the turtle is facing left. Then I want to start drawing, so I use the pen down method. Then move forward 100 units, so you can see there is a line. Then turn right by 90 degrees, then the turtle is facing up. After that, move forward 100 units. Because I use the pen up method, so it will not draw a line here. Okay, this is the pen up and pen down method. Okay, you can learn some other methods from this website. Now let's go back to this example. Here we can see that we import the turtle library firstly, and then we create a variable s. It refers to the screen. Then we create a variable t. It refers to the turtle. Then you can see this line. This line, it starts with a hash sign. It means this is a comment. This is just a comment. It will not be interpreted by the compiler. So it just like explains your code. Like here, I want to draw the height, circle of radius 70. It just explains the code here. What I'm doing here is to draw a height with a circle of radius 70. Then I would like to move the pen. I use the pen up method, which means I don't want to draw. I just want to move the turtle to another point. The point is 1580. Then I use pen down method, means I want to start drawing. After that, I move forward the 20 units. It's draw the eye, the right eye as a rectangular. Then turn left 90 degrees. Then move forward 20 units, turn left 90 degrees, and so on. After that, I move the pen. Here, up is a shortened version of pen up. It means that I don't want to draw. I just want to move the turtle. So I go to this position, and then I use pen down method. After that, I use the side hiding method. So the side hiding method here is to set the orientation of the turtle. So the 90 degrees means to set the orientation of the turtle to face up. Okay, and then it draws a left eye. After that, it moves the turtle to this position without drawing anything. And then it draws a smile face. Here, it also uses the side hiding method. It set the orientation of the turtle to negative 45 degrees. And then draw a circle. Here we can see that before, the circle it has only one argument, the radius. However, here it has two, because by default, if there is only one argument in the circle method, then it means that we want to draw a circle with this radius. But we want to draw an entire circle. However, here 90 means the extent of the circle we want to draw. Here 90 means we want to draw only a quarter of the circle. You can also try if it is 180, then means we want to draw a half of the circle. And every time, if we want to change anything in the script, like here, I don't want to draw only a half of the circle. I want to draw a full circle. I change to 360. Then remember, every time before you run the module, you need to save the file, and then run the module. Here we can see that it draws a full circle. If we delete this, just one argument here, it means a degree, and by default, it draws an entire circle. Let's see. So I changed the script, so I need to save it firstly, then run it. Yes, here we can see that by default, it draws an entire circle. Okay. This is some useful functions in the Turtle class. I believe you can find these functions in this website also. This is the first exercise. This one, from idle, open the file turtle access1.py. It is provided with the Lab1 materials. Inside this folder, I have the file named turtle access1.py. Let's open this file. File, open. File, open. It's in desktop. This one. Okay, it only contains 3 lines. Import the turtle library, then create a screen, create a turtle. So you need to place your code here. Here you need to draw something like this. No need to use loops. And don't forget, whatever you make changes to a file, you have to save it firstly before you can run it. Okay, this is the first exercise you need to draw. Here you can see that you can draw a small circle with a small radius, and then a larger circle. After that, a larger circle. And then you can draw some straight lines. Okay, the second exercise. You can find the second exercise in the turtle access2.py file. It is also provided in the Lab1 materials. It's this one. I can open this one in idle shell, a file, open. It's in where? It's in here. Here you should place your code here. You can see that here the turtle is changed to the shape turtle. It's this shape. This one you don't need to use loops. Just copy or paste. And here you can see you can draw a circle firstly and then move the turtle to here, and then use the set hiding method. Also remember, this one is like a quarter of the circle. So use the circle method, but with 2 arguments. One is for the radius, another one is for the extent of the circle you want to draw. Okay, this is 2 exercises you need to submit in today's lab. The next part is to write a program in Blockly. Blockly is a virtual programming language developed by Google. It's used to help students learn programming. The instructions are blocks that fit together like the Lego bricks to make up a computer program. There are 2 challenging ones, like to solve level 9 with only 4 blocks and solve level 10 with 5 blocks. Let's try this. We can start with the easiest level. Here, this one, we can see that we start from here and we want to arrive the right side. How to do it? Oh, we would like to move forward and move forward until we arrive at the right sign. Let's see. Yeah, we are done. The second level is like we move forward, we turn left, then turn right, then move forward. So we move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right, move forward. Let's try. The third level, in this one, we can try move forward and then move forward. But for this one, it only we are only allowed to use 2 blocks only. So we have to try something else, like this. We want to repeat moving forward until we arrive at the right sign. Let's try. Yeah, it's like using the while loop in Python. If we haven't arrived at the right sign, then we move forward until we have arrived at the right sign. This one, we can see that we move forward, we turn left, we move forward, we turn right. Then we want to repeat these steps. So we want to use this one and then move forward, turn left, turn left and move forward, and then turn right. Yeah, it's here. You can try the following games yourself. You can play with them and try these 2 challenging ones. Okay, I think this is for today's live. If you have any questions, feel free to ask TAs. So that's all. Thank you guys. Bye.